break something?
Talk to me, Isabella. What's going on?
Nothing. I'm good. We're all good.
Hello. Can't keep this up.
I gotta take a beat before more of them get here.
Getting bad out here, Ian. What's the holdup?
I'm working as fast as I can. Unauthorized input rejected.
Kill the screamer! Fast!
I'll be done in a bit.
Installation is at 92% completion.
Not over yet! Give him hell! I can't keep going.
Installation complete. Haven protocol initiated.
Terrific.
Damn! What was that?
That was CLEO's Haven protocol coming online. Congratulations, Isabella. Seems that your plan worked.
Active countermeasures are in effect. Minimal aggression signals detected.
That means all clear in CLEO speak.
Note that CLEO's Haven protocol does more than simply shut down the zombies that get too close.
Sounds great.
Well, it appears that our work here is done.
Gracias. Muchísimas gracias.
We'll be up at the campground if you need us. At least for now. Take care, everyone. Especially you, CLEO.
Your cooperation in this experiment has been noted.
I strongly recommend hooking the Haven device up to a constant power source for maximum effectiveness. That said, CLEO does have their own internal battery, so they'll protect you even if you lose electricity. Oh, one more thing. You may want to consider liquid cooling, unless you enjoy replacing lots of parts. See you later.
Be careful out there.
Got a freak incoming!
Here we go again.
I'm on my last Mac here.
Oh, hell yeah!
Hold the line.
Free!
Oh, it's cramped as fuck in here.
I think we might have to run.
hit.